And today we're making a Mexicajun chicken. And we're going to finish it off with Carolina Old Mule barbecue sauce. Now I want to thank the folks out at Heaven Made Products for sending me this Mexicajun rub. We tasted it. It tastes awesome. Looking forward to this chicken cook. Alright, we're going to inject this chicken today. And I'm using this Meat Church chicken injection, okay? What I started out with, because I've done another chicken already, I got a cup of chicken broth. I got a cup of this Dog Island head or Dogfish head 60-minute IPA Indian Pale Ale. And then I've got 3/4 a cup of the Meat Church and chicken injection all in here, okay? I've spatchcocked this chicken. What we're going to do is turn this bad boy around, and I'm going to inject it up. The reason I spatchcocked it, it'll just cook a little quicker, all right? And it's a big Derby day here, Kentucky Derby. Got a lot of folks coming over. I got a lot going on, so I don't have a lot of time. And you know, that's why I spatchcocked it. I mean, it'll save a little time. It's not like it's going to save you an hour or anything. But we're going to get this guy all injected up. I've got plenty of injection, so I'm going to inject the thighs and everything. And then we're going to move over to this Heaven Made Products what's it called? It's called Mexicajun Rub. I'm telling you, I tasted some of it in my palm earlier. It is out of this world. I'm just using the same injection to wipe on it. We're going to use that as a binder. And here's that Heaven Made Products amazing Mexicajun rub. I'm telling you, this stuff tastes awesome. Cinco de Mayo day. What better rub to use or seasoning? Okay, so we're going to season up both sides of this chicken, and then I'll show you what we'll do over here in the Masterbuilt. Look at the color on this rub. Got this Masterbuilt set today, 275 degrees. I want to cook this a little quicker. There's that chicken all seasoned up with the Mexican, Texican, Cajun seasoning, or whatever you want to call it. We're going to get the lid shut. Now for the wood chips today, I'm using a fruit blend. I got some cherry, peach, and grape. Okay. We got that Mexican, Cajun, seasoning, so that's going to give us some spice. This will give us a little, sweet wood. Oh, I guess I better get it. I can get it in there on the smoke. We're at 159 degrees. I think it's been about an hour and a half, and I'll be very honest with you, I haven't been watching the timer too closely. Now, the sauce I'm using is this Old Mule mustard sauce. I'm just going to put a glaze here on the top. And because we're at 159, I don't even think I'm going to worry about the other side today. Okay? I think this chicken is going to be just fine glazing the top. All right? So we want to cook her up to about 163, 165. Look at the glaze. This is going to be awesome. I don't have to clean this smoker. You can see I'm making a ginormous mess. All right. I'm going to slide this guy back up in here. And I'll keep going till it's 165. Just shy of 2 hours. The chicken's at 163 in this Masterbuilt. We're going to get it out. It'll creep up another couple of degrees. Don't worry about it getting to 165. Look at that. It looks gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. We got that Old Mule sauce on it. We got that Heaven Made Products Cajun Mexican rub. I can't tell you how looking forward I am to this. Let me get this guy off of here. We're going to let it cool down for a little bit. Then we're going to give it a taste test. Our chicken's been resting here about 10 minutes. Just a reminder, we got the Heaven Made Products Mexicajun rub. They sent this out to me. I'm very grateful for that. And then we finished it off with this Old Mule mustard barbecue sauce. Okay, we're just going to... Yeah, we're going to cut in this chicken. Oh, the skin's looking good. Look at it. I hope you guys can see. I don't know how close the video shows it, but the juice is just pouring out of this chicken. You know, we did inject it. Look at the juice here. Can you guys? I hope you guys can see that. Juice just poured out. Okay. what we're going to do is I'm going to cut this guy in half. Actually, I'm going to cut it less than half. Okay. And can I touch it? Is it okay? Okay. There you go. Cinda's going to help me taste this. Derby Day. We got all of our buddies over. We're having a big time. Okay. You ready?
Ready?
I'm ready.
Go. That's good. That's good.
Oh my gosh. Not too spicy, but you can taste that.
It's got a sweetness to it too.
With that little like Mexican seasoning.
That's good.
This is really good. Amazing Mexicajun.
Cajun. That is really good.
So you get a little spice, not for you people that don't like hot sauce, don't worry about that. This little spice, like she said,
bit of kick.
like Cinda said, it's got a little sweetness and tang from the Old Mule. What do you think? Would you make this again?
Yes, I would.
If you're not a subscriber already, I hope you hit the subscribe button. Got any questions, comments about this video? Just leave them below.